So hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Medz. So this is a quick one, and I know many of you will welcome this because we never had this in 2029 or in 2019. Where am I? We never had this alert in 2019 before the COVID, yes, that pandemic. And so this is a highlight to all of us here in Jamaica, those in the US, those in the UK. For those of you in the UK, you know already that there is an outbreak. They call it super flu. Now it is projected to be one that is more deadly than the COVID-19 pandemic, or virus. So listen, we have to take precautions now. We know whatever is out there, it comes all around. So now is the time to build your immune system. Now is the time to get your onions. Remember, we talk about the onions, rubbing it under your nose, on your neck, having it around your house, especially your bed, wherever you sleep. Remember these tips. And yes, if you can get a hold of oregano oil, yes, the one that you can drink, you will need that. And whatever else you need to build up your immune system, you know, ginger, the roots, the tuber, ginger, turmeric, all these herbs that we talked about, a lot of them, garlic, cayenne pepper, all of these herbs that God gave us. Stock up on them if you can get them dried, if you can get the oil form. Yes, if you can get essential oils that are ingestible, edible, get these now. Listen, now is the time to get as much rest as possible. This is the long night, short day. Take the time to get as much rest as possible, to heal. That helps your immune system. This is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching.